At its core, this mindset is asking you to zoom out, way out. Instead of solving only what's right in front of you, maybe fear-based, you start to let yourself see patterns and connections. And you start reacting after you pause. You start noticing things earlier. And your decisions start to change when your mindset is yours and you have curated it to work in this AI space to your best advantage. What matters to you, not what you should be chasing, not what you should be hunting. It becomes a part of your story in helping you shape what's next for you. And the AI becomes not a replacement, it's not magic, it's a collaborator. AI is a teaming partner, and it helps you see patterns and test and prototype and explore, but it's still you that is the decision maker. It is still you that makes the meaning. You still hold the values. You still choose the direction when working with AI. So while generative AI is a very big shift globally across all cultural landscapes, it's really a shift about you. And this book doesn't talk about tools. It doesn't talk about techniques. It talks about you and how you can come together with AI and help your mind stretch in a way that makes your decision-making easier. So, Future AI Mindset. It's not a book. It's not a tool. It's about your practice. It's about a way for you to stay clear when everything is shifting around you. It's a way to stay curious as everything gets noisy. And it's a way to keep your self-power while working with these systems that are getting more and more complex every day. Because the future isn't something you can just show up for. It's something you co-build, and it takes mindset. So Future AI Mindset is a book, and it is also a workshop that you are invited to expand your future AI mindset richer, deeper, so that you are ready for this next future. Come join me in the Future AI Mindset.
Register at community.thesalon.ai.